Hello, this is our original first web page. We've got three images of Neil Armstrong, heading in H1 text across the top, and we've got some text styled as H4 text in our page. If I switch to our code, there's the body with its dark blue background color and text is goldenrod in color. Then in the center we have a div, which is the square box with the light blue background, styled with a 60% width and 500 pixel height, and it's centered using this code here, margin left auto, margin right auto, and the text is also aligned to center, and the text color is set as crimson. Now, we then styled our H4 text so that it was justified. As we look at that, we can see the text is justified. It's a square box of text, no ragged edges. And then we have used padding, which is the space around the text, of 10 pixels. We've set that at 10 pixels, and we've changed the text color to black and the font family to Arial. And there's our three images of Neil Armstrong, our H4 text there in the body of the page, and that's our page. Now, what I'm going to do now is to get rid of the superfluous pictures of Neil Armstrong. So I just take those two pieces of code and delete them. Now, that leaves us, if I save first, I refresh, and the picture of Neil Armstrong sits in the center. Now what I'm going to do, instead of having him sitting in the center like that, I'm going to see if I can make the text lap around the image. And for that we need to use a particular piece of styling code. So what I'm going to do is add another code, set for image, which is set as IMG, small case we'll use, open left curly braces, and we will use this line here. So I'll just copy that actually from there and into my code. So if I just do that all over again, image, and what we've got here is float right, and we've set a margin of 20 pixels. There is a reason for that, and you could find the reason by leaving it out, but I've set margin as 20 pixels, and then I save. So if I save, I then go and refresh my page, and you'll notice there that my text now is set to the left of my image. And remember, the code there was float right, margin 20 pixels, so I could go on writing text, and that text would then float around or flow around the image. Now, okay, so that's one improvement to the page, one more thing that we are enabled to do. And we'll leave it there.